Let's first discuss RAM memory. Random access memory. So guys, do you know what does random access mean here? Random access means that CPU can directly access any address location of RAM memory. That is why it is named as random access memory, and it is very quickly accessible. RAM is a volatile memory. It stores the data till the power is switched on. Once the power goes off, the whole data in RAM gets erased, and it only stores data which has to be currently processed. The storage capacity of RAM is high, ranging from 64 MB to 16 GB. RAM is the fastest and costliest memory of the computer. Because of its speed, it is very expensive. It is a read-write memory of the computer, which means the processor can read the instructions from the RAM and write the result to the RAM. That's how data can be modified in RAM. ROM memory, read-only memory. Unlike RAM, the ROM memory can't be directly accessed by CPU. The data first transferred to the RAM, and then CPU can access that data from the RAM. ROM is a non-volatile memory. The data inside the ROM retains even if the power of the CPU is switched off. The capacity of ROM is comparatively smaller than RAM. It is slower and cheaper than RAM. The data in ROM can only be read by CPU. That's why it is said read-only. The data in ROM cannot be modified. ROM stores the instruction that computer requires during bootstrapping. I think you guys must be aware about bootstrapping process. It is a self-starting process where the basic softwares are loaded into the computer memory after power on or on a reset.